everyone, welcome back again to this channel of amazing videos on recipes, African traditional recipes, modern breakfast ideas, travel and event. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to Ruby Kid Foods and view my videos. Give them a like, share with your friends. Remember also not to skip ads. If you want to promote Ruby Kid Foods, don't skip the ads. So guys, today I'm back with this recipe. I want to make some fish. I'm going to prepare some fresh tilapia boiled fish. So I'm going to make some fish stew. So kindly watch this video until the end. Is the fish that I'm going to make. Just have a look at them, see how fresh they are. So I'm going to stew them. One might wonder what these are. These are eggs. These are fish eggs. So kindly watch this video until the end. Guys, we start by washing the fish. Make sure you wash everything. Remove everything here which could be dirty. Same to this. Look at this, guys. Oh, these are the eggs. Make sure you remove everything in here. So you wash it as many times as you can. So this will continue washing. Stay tuned. So guys, you see, make sure it is this clean. Then this other one too. Now look at my fish now. So from here, guys, come with me. I'm not going to cut them. I'll just prepare them the way they are. So stay tuned. For my fish, I'm not going to use so many spices apart from the fish curry here that I have. And I have my 3 onions. I have 2 onions, 3 tomatoes, and I have tomato paste, plus now the fish. I want to make it somehow natural and tasty, so I'm going to make a stew out of this. So start by chopping my onions. My pan, guys. Meanwhile, I will continue chopping my So for my tomatoes, I'm going to blend them so that I can get heavy stew. So I'm going to blend first so that I can get the heavy or thick stew for the fish. Then I will blend so guys, this is my blended tomatoes. So come with me. Guys, you have to let your oil cook well before you add some onions. So my oil is done. You have to let your onions get translucent, but also if you so wish, you can let them brown so that you can get the best taste. So for me, I'm going to let them brown, so stay tuned. After this, I'm going to add my blended tomatoes and then give it a good stir. Then now I will cover it and let it cook for a while before I add in my tomato paste, my salt and any spice that I might be having. So stay. At this point now I'm going to add in my tomato paste. Then mix up everything. You can see how heavy or how thick my paste is. Then at this point now we are going to add some salt. Then some spice. Just as I told you that I have fish curry. This is Kenyan spice called Royco. They have for different flavors. You have beef, fish and chicken. So I've used for fish. Give it a stir. And then now we are going to add in some water for the stew. And then mix up everything. Then cover and let this stew boil before you add in some fish. Look at my stew, it's now boiling. Now it's time now to put my fish now. Yes. So guys, I'm going to let them cook for another 30 minutes. So let me just cover it and give it about 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and it will be done. Thank you. Thank you guys. Yes. So guys, look at my fish. Look at the stew. So heavy. Nice, appetizing. So guys, this is my fish tilapia fresh fish stew. Kindly view my video. If you love it, give it a thumbs up and mostly try it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Just look at this guy. So tasty. This is fresh tilapia stewed fish. Oh. So guys, I'm going to serve it with some greens, Kenyan vegetable called skuma wiki, and some ugali. So stay tuned. Wow. Whoa. So guys, just look at this. Ooh. So appetizing. This is fresh tilapia fish.